I had to learn, and this goes specifically with chores and jobs and all the things that have to be done. So I'm kind of going on another tangent here, but I think it's important. I remember that I had to learn how to joyfully do those jobs by myself without help so that I could model for my children that doing chores and jobs is a good thing, not a bad thing. And when they saw that I was willing to do the jobs, even if I didn't get any help because I wanted them done, basically, they were more interested in helping me, especially if it was hand in hand with that whole being thing, right? Where in these intakes, a lot of it was like, I just want the kids to do more. I want them to help out. I want them to do this. And while I understand that, and like, that's a worthy ideal we need to be working for, we have to be practicing more of the being. One, because that gets us what we want now, right? We want the joyful connectedness. And part of what I'm saying is you can literally have that today. You don't have to wait. You do not have to wait for the house to be cleaner, for dinner to be done, for your kids to be happy. You can start feeling that now simply by being in the moment.
You just stepped on the crazy train.
Yes, I did.
How can you say such things?
Because it's the truth. We don't have to wait. There is nothing holding us back from having more joy now.
Except the dishes and the laundry
That's the point.
and the dust.
That's the point. We have to learn how to let go of that as being the requirement for us to have more joy with our children.
Oh my goodness. Yes. Mic drop.
Thank you. So, yeah, I mean, I just want to emphasize that because it's also becomes a superpower. When we can embrace that approach to our parenting, it becomes that much easier to get the kids on board, to get them to help out, to get them to willingly pick up after themselves, because we've already connected with them in joy and love. So they feel this love and desire to serve us because we love and serve them.
Oh my goodness. Amazing. Amazing.
She had a comment right here.
Good.
Yes, that makes so much sense. I cannot feel relaxed enough to feel joy or have fun when I'm micromanaging and stressing about all the tasks that I ever want to get done. I want everyone to get done. Exactly. Right.
So true.
And it's so true.
So true.
And I love that you mentioned relaxed, because actually relaxing is one of the prerequisites of joy. I don't think you can feel relaxed if you're stressed, or feel joy if you're stressed. I don't think it's possible.
And you moms, you sweet
Like
moms,
live in stress.
you live in the micromanaging and the list that never ends. We have to get it done. And you're like so intense and like,
And we have some idea in our head that we're actually going to get it done. That's such a delusion. We're never going to get it done. It's never ending. It's a never ending list. It will never, ever be done. And that's okay. That's a good thing. But that's why we have to lean into just enjoying it now. And when it's right, letting go of it and saying, it's okay if the dishes aren't happening and the laundry's not done and this is dirty and they didn't pick up their toys. All of that's so fine. We're going to sit here and we're going to cuddle. We're going to sit here and laugh. We're going to tickle. We're going to have a fun time. But you have to be in the moment enjoying it, because otherwise you're just like stressing and you're like, this isn't fun.
I'm pretending to delight in my kids. Well, really, I'm thinking about the laundry that's piling up. Man, isn't the story of Mary and Martha in the New Testament, isn't that so relevant to this conversation? It's just like, have the two, like, do the things.
Be
Yeah.
or do.
It's like, okay, hold on. Let's just be here. And then we'll do the things.
Yeah.
Right? It's powerful.